2002-2006 Toyota Camry with a 2.4 liter engine. I'll be replacing the power steering pump. It's leaking a lot of oil. It's very old and it makes noise sometimes, like a squealing noise. And I'll be taking out this the motor mount here on top. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. I'm not telling anybody to do it. I'll do it this way because I like the space and I like to have good angle with my camera. 1, 2, 3, 14mm bolt. 1, 2, 3, 14mm bolt here for this bracket. $19mm bolt here, like a nut. This is for the belt tensioner. Now we're gonna check this belt, and when you do this, if you see cuts all over, then it's time to replace it. This one is in very good condition. This is the nut here for the belt tensioner right there. 19mm lug nut. 2 10mm bolts, 1 and 2. $17mm bolt for the high pressure power steering hose. I'm gonna get it out of by the top of the engine. $14mm bolt, by the way. This is a wobble adapter here, as you can see. Also wobble extension. $19mm nut here for the motor mount here. And this is the motor mount here in the front of the car. 17mm bolt. I'm gonna leave it just right there. I'm ready here with the bottle jack, as you can see. Right there. Remember, I already did the motor mount right there too in the front of the car. Again, I'm gonna be using one of these adapters here. And this is the bolt on top here. It's very dark because of the sunlight and the shade. Very bad combination. Alright, the new power steering pump here. 12mm bolts here for this fitting. And the oil pressure switch here. 19mm socket. Alright, the fitting here. I already replaced the O-ring here, as you can see. And I already replaced the O-ring here too, and the oil pressure switch. So always do that. And the part number for this power steering pump is 21-5245. It was bought online, by the way. And here you can find every component in case if you need to disassemble this power steering pump. Alright, update here. I'll be taking out this motor mount and this bracket here too. 3 14mm bolt. This is very easy. It takes 30 seconds of a minute to take it out. And also it will take me about 30 seconds of a minute to take this bracket out. And please don't take these components out. You don't need to. The only purpose why I'm gonna be doing this is because I'll set up my camera right there on the floor. These components here are on the way, so the camera cannot see when I'm gonna be installing the power steering pump. That's all. That's the only purpose. So you don't need to do any of this. They are not, by the way. Alright, the new power steering pump here. Make sure that 2 bolts are sticking all the way out. Also the washer has to be completely out. Otherwise the power steering pump will not go inside. Let's see if I can push the bolt that is on top. Right here.